Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how I cook breakfast. I'm going to be making breakfast for dinner tonight. So I'm going to show y'all how I do that. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm getting my music ready. This is the ingredients I'm using: pancake mix, the Hungry Jack, butter, some eggs, and of course, some bacon. Okay, so as you can see, I already poured me some pancake mix in a bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some butter in the skillet so it can start to get hot and melt. And there are instructions on how to mix the pancake mix on the box, but I never follow the instructions, so I'm just gonna pour some water in there and start stirring. I know how thick I want the consistency of my pancakes, so yeah, I just stir till I get it to a good consistency. So once it's thick enough, I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the skillet. And I'm going to, just put one first because I just want to test the waters. I always kind of try to test to see, to make sure the pancake can hold up and to make sure the skillet is hot enough. So that's why right here you see me just putting a little pancake down. So with this pancake mix, like, it can make some really thick pancakes, and this is like a just add water type pancake mix, so it's really easy to use. So as you can see, the pancakes are starting to rise, which means they are getting done on the bottom side, which is a plus. That's exactly what we need is for the pancakes to get done. And I'm just moving the butter around the skillet and letting it cook. And y'all can see the little bubbles come up on the side, well, on the top of it, which means that the heat is getting to it and it's starting to cook. Alright, so now I'm just flipping them over so the other side can get done. Do you see the color of them? They look so good, y'all. And let me tell you, they were really good. So I'm just flipping them over and letting them cook. In all actuality, I usually make my pancakes a little darker because to me, I like my food burnt kind of. So I like darker pancakes, hot dogs. I like those burnt. So this is just a medium to brown color that I made them this time. So after I did my pancakes, I did my eggs, and I sprayed some little Pam on the pan just so the eggs wouldn't stick. And as you can see all the way over to the side, I got me some cheese out because I do add cheese to my eggs. And what I'm going to do is add some salt and pepper, stir that in, and then I'm going to put the eggs in the pan and let them start to cook. Now I like to always move my eggs around just so like too much of it won't stick to the pan. And I just like to move it around. I just feel like a chef when I'm moving it around. And I can't cook too many things but eggs is one thing I can cook really, really well. And so once the eggs are almost done, I'm just gonna add cheese to the eggs like you see me doing now. And honey, if you've never had cheese in your eggs, listen, try it out. I did not start eating cheese in my eggs until about 4 or 5 years ago, but it's really, really good. Once the eggs are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and place them in a bowl, and then I'm gonna go back and wash out the skillet just to get ready for the bacon. So y'all, the bacon is super, super easy. You literally just put it in the skillet. And I don't know if you're supposed to add like grease or anything to it, but I didn't add grease because bacon makes its own grease. So I just go ahead and put it on in there. That's how I cook my bacon. But I just put it in there and let it cook. Bacon is probably the easiest thing in this meal that I cooked. But yeah. All right, so as you can see, the bacon is starting to get done. And what I do is once one side gets done and brown, I flip to the other side and go ahead and let it cook until it get crispy because I like crispy bacon. So that's just how I cook my bacon. Now, this is how it ended up looking, girl, real nice and crispy, and it was so good. Breakfast is like one of my favorite meals because I just love like biscuits, eggs, sausages, like all that stuff. I just love it. So, this is everything that I cook. The eggs, which look so good, and they were delicious. And then we have the bacon in the middle, which was also bomb. And then finally, we have these fluffy, duffy pancakes that were really good. I hope y'all enjoyed this cooking video tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.